Hey everyone! Working on a document with other people doesn't have to mean emailing multiple versions back and forth. Microsoft Word includes powerful collaboration tools that let you edit, comment, and review documents together in real time. In this tutorial, I'll show you how it all works, so let's get started. Before you can collaborate, save your document to OneDrive or SharePoint. This allows everyone to access the same file and ensures that changes are automatically synchronized across all users. Next, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Enter the email addresses of the people you'd like to invite or create a sharing link. You can also choose whether others are allowed to edit the document or only view it. Once your collaborators open the document, everyone can edit at the same time. You'll see their names or profile icons, along with indicators showing where they're working. Changes are saved automatically, so everyone stays up to date. For better teamwork, use comments to leave feedback or ask questions without changing the text. If you're reviewing important documents, you can also enable track changes, so every edit can be reviewed before it's accepted. If you ever need to go back to an earlier version, open the document's version history. Word stores previous versions automatically, making it easy to restore an older copy if needed. And that's how to collaborate in Microsoft Word. With real-time editing, comments, track changes, and version history, working with others becomes faster, easier, and much more organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.